Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to extract unique data from the defined range by using Excel formulas as well as VBA macros. First I am starting with unique function. Let's get started. Here I have some data in column A, so I am going to extract the unique data by using this content equivalent to. Here I am writing unique function. This function consists of three functional arguments. First one is array. Here I am selecting the array from A2 to A12. As I have data in multiple rows, here I am mentioning as false. False denotes return unique rows. Coming to true, return unique columns. Next, coming to third functional argument, here I am mentioning as return every distinct item. So in this way we can extract the unique data. Now let us see how to remove the duplicates by using remove duplicates option. Click on data tab. Under the data tools group, there you can find remove duplicates. First select the data, click on remove duplicates. If the data consists of the header, select my data has headers. Currently I have enabled that option. Next click on OK. After eliminating the duplicates, application returned message as 6 duplicate values found and removed. 5 unique values remain. Click on OK. Now let us see how to eliminate the duplicates by using remove duplicates of range object through VBA macros. Click on Developer tab, click on Visual Basic, insert a module. Next I am defining object variable for active worksheet. Next I am mentioning the range sh dot range of. Here we can find I have data from A1 to A12. A1 to A12 dot remove duplicates. Remove duplicates is the method of range object. Next I am providing the data for arguments. First one is columns. This data consists of single column, hence I mentioned as 1. Thereafter, I am providing the confirmation whether my data consists of header or not. Here I am mentioning XLS. Press F8 to start the debugging. So here I have extracted the unique data by using remove duplicates method of range object. Now let us see how to remove the duplicates by using advanced filter. Under the data tab, we can find sort and filter group. In that we can find advanced filter. Click on advanced filter. Here we can find two options. Filter the list in place. Second one is copy to another location. So I want to copy the output in another location. Hence I am choosing second one. Next I am selecting the list range. I don't have any criteria right now. As I want to display the output from B2 cell, I have selected B2 cell. Selecting the unique records only checkbox. Click on OK. Here application return the unique records after eliminating the duplicates. Now let us see how to execute the same process by using VBA macros. This is my subprocedure name. First I am defining the object variable for active sheet. Next I am mentioning the range. Here I have mentioned the range from A2 to A12 dot advanced filter. Next I am providing the data for the functional arguments. Action equivalent to Excel filter copy. I want to copy the data after completion of the filtering process. Next one is criteria range. So here I don't have any criteria, hence I am ignoring that one. Next, copy to range. I want to copy the output from range B2 onwards. Thereafter, here I am providing the confirmation to extract the unique data. Press F8 to start the debugging. Here we can find application returned the unique data after eliminating the duplicates. Next, let us see how to extract unique data by using countIF function. Here I am starting with if function. If in place of logical test, I am using countIF function. Here I mentioned range as A2 to A2. This range will increase by one row when the user drag the formula to the underlying cells. For that purpose, here I mentioned $symbol to lock the cell. Next I am mentioning criteria, and my criteria is A2 equivalent to 1, means whenever the criteria hits first time, then only application considers the data, else it ignores. Double click on fill handle. Here we can find application return the unique data. Now let us see how to extract the same output by using VBA macros. Click on developer tab. So here I have created a sub procedure. Next I am defining an object variable for active worksheet. Next I am defining one more object variable to define the range. Next I am defining a variable which I am going to use as loop variable. Next I am using for loop for r equivalent to r denotes loop variable 2 denotes min value of the loop, as my data starts from second row itself, hence I have considered 2 as min value of the for loop. To find the max value of the loop, here I am using end Excel down property of range object. Next I am providing the value to the range object. Here I define the range by using cell property, set range equivalent to sh dot range of. In that range I have mentioned the cells of 2, 1. 2 denotes as my data starts from second row, hence I mentioned as 2. Thereafter I have mentioned 1. 1 denotes column number. Again I have used another cell property. In that I have considered looping variable which is named as r 1. 1 denotes column number. Here I am using if condition. Here I have used if condition. If application dot worksheet function dot countIF. So here I am using countIF function. First argument is range. I have provided the range. Thereafter second argument is criteria. There I have considered criteria as value exists in A2 cell. So upon completion of each and every iteration, criteria row number will increase by 1. At the same time, defined range row number also increases by 1. Here I am going to create one more variable, RO as integer. Here I am assigning value to that variable, RO equivalent to 2. Means I want to paste the output from the second row in column B. sh dot cells of second row and second column dot value equivalent to sh dot range of, means whatever the value refers by the loop variable, that is going to paste in column B. So here I am going to increase the value of that variable, RO equivalent to RO plus 1. So this variable is useful while pasting the output in column B's data. So press F8 to start the debugging. Here max row is 12 for R equivalent to 2 to 12. Here R equivalent to 5 means looping value is pen, which exists in A5 cell. Let us see how application will treats. So it is not considered by the application, it is excluded as count is greater than 1. So in this way we can extract the unique records by using countIF function. If you like this content, please like my video and subscribe to my channel. I hope this video is useful to everyone. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.